Everybody in my channel, today we have a new limit question. So very interesting question, the limit of sequence. So how we can calculate the value of n tend to infinity n square plus 1 limit n tend to infinity n square plus 1 square root minus n square minus 1 square root. How we can find if we think, and here if we put directly n tend to infinity, if we are applying, so we get, and here infinity and is also minus infinity, we get infinity form. If we put, so now we are applying the conjugate of multiplying and dividing by their conjugates. So limit n tend to infinity n square plus 1 square root minus n square minus 1 square root, and taking their multiply n square plus 1 square root plus n square minus 1 square root, and also we divide n square plus 1 square root plus n square minus 1 square root, multiplying it, because these terms both are cancelled to each other, there is no effect on the question. So now we are, according to the formula, we are applying a square minus b square is equal to a minus b into a plus b. According to this formula, the above term here is in the denominator is 1. So in the above formula we can write here the limit n tend to infinity. So n square plus 1 square root a square and minus b square n square minus 1 minus b square, and similarly, and here 1 multiplied denominator is also multiplied to each other. Now n square plus 1 square root and plus n square minus 1 square root. If this square root is with the square cancelled to each other, we get in here limit n tend to infinity n square plus 1 minus is also multiplied by here n square plus 1 divided by n square plus 1 square root and plus n square minus 1 square root. So this will be cancelled, n square and plus n square both are cancelled. We get in here limit n tend to infinity. So we get in here 2 divided by n square plus 1 plus n square minus 1 square root. If we are applying limit in here individually in the numerator terms and denominator divided by 2, and limit n tend to infinity n square plus 1 square root plus and limit n tend to infinity n square minus 1 square root. So we get in here 2 and 2 divided by infinity plus infinity is equal to 2, as we get in here 0. So the answer of this question is equal to 0 as the answer. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe my channel and share this video more and more. Thanks again for watching.